Take control of your comfort where and when you need it. The MRCOOL DIY 5th generation 48,000 BTU 4-zone mini-split system delivers zoned heating and cooling to 4 separate rooms, including 3 9K and 1 18K wall-mounted air handlers. Installation is simple with pre-charged quick connect line sets, no vacuuming or professional tools required. Designed for DIY comfort upgrades you can install yourself. It covers up to 2,000 square feet, delivers up to 21.8 SEER2 efficiency, and uses eco-friendly R454B refrigerant for greener performance. Plus, it's UL listed, ETL listed, AHRI certified, and backed by a standard 7-year compressor/5-year parts warranty with limited lifetime compressor coverage available. Control your zones remotely via app or voice assistant and enjoy quiet, efficient comfort all year long. And when you're ready to upgrade your home, stay tuned for more smart product highlights. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe.